A lot of people like to throw shade at the VHS format. I'm here today to prove that the vintage format still does have a place in today's world. Here are 6 reasons why you should still own a VHS tape and a VCR. You can't scratch a VHS tape or get it dirty. Or should I say you can. Get it dirty and it still works. A VHS tape will always remember where you left off, no matter how long it has been, and it doesn't need to be the same VCR. It is nearly indestructible. If the case breaks, just move the tape into a different case. You can easily fix it, unlike those flimsy frisbees called DVDs. Kids love it too. Children enjoy cartoon movies such as Disney, which are still out there on VHS. They think VCRs are also useful for storing things such as toys, dad's car key, and even sandwiches. The final one on this list is that you do not need internet or a monthly subscription. If you're someone who loves to hate VHS, I hope this woke you up, and if it didn't, there's no hope for you. Thank you for watching and buy our VCRs.